Hi there, Gary from GESA. Client today would like to have a PowerPoint up into those tiles. Next available PowerPoint is underneath the sink over there. So we're gonna find a way to come from there up to here with bugger all damage. We posted afterwards what the result's gonna be like. Oh yeah, part 2 of the job. There's also a pantry which goes into here. Same thing, we gotta come back from this PowerPoint to get it up into here. It'll be a bit of a tricky one, but we like tricky. And again, we show you afterwards on how we achieved it. So we've seen there is the laundry on the other side with a linen inside. We're drilling a hole in the bottom of the linen in line with the PowerPoint to come back from here, have our cable gone behind, and then through the wall again for the PowerPoint. That's the plan. So I don't know if you can see the light, but literally we went through 3 or 4 timbers through that wall, like 1.2 meters around, to make it to the PowerPoint. So with help from Jacob, we pulled this through. It was actually 4 timbers in the wall in the end, all the way coming back to underneath here where the sink sits. So now that's one PowerPoint. Second one, we're gonna get ready for the pantry. So here we go, part 1. From this PowerPoint, through the wall, through the linen, actually blank plate just over there, through the wall again, with no other traces or evidence, into the tiles. Marvelous job. Part 1 done. The PowerPoint is ready as well. Jacob is making the final connections ready. And we had that one while going through the hallway. All we had to do was cut one extra hole to come from the under sink, through the wall magically, ending up actually behind here. So I think we've done quite well. Love it.